we come to the third experiment. It's all the, how the scenes are built up. Scene 1, scene 2 is like all the scenes being put together and then being added in here. And I go to set up, and they'll be added into there, and that's how they build and work. And also experimental wise, while we're working on it, we'll need these to be put in there so they can work. So what am I saying? Let's see. On here you build up obviously the canvas and the panel, and you set up the buttons as well, and in each button, let's just go to the inspector for 1 minute to see what we set up on each button. On each button in here, we will label, there's an image, we will set up the same similar thing we did previous on here. On click, we set up that. Then we go back to the panel itself. It is something we set up on the button. What is it again? Where is it? It's that. Then in here we write the scene it is going to click into. So if it's scene 1, we put scene 1 here, and scene 2 we put what the button will be clicking going to. That will be the scene we put into here. Similar, you will find that when you go to the other scene. On here, go into the button. The button it is going to click into and go to and open, that is what we put in here. See, so this is going to click into scene 1. Other one's supposed to go into scene 2. So I just want to make sure this experiment works. So we put it out for test now. So if you're putting it out for test now, there we are. So what I'm saying is it should click to go to the other color, which is blue, purple sort of, and then back in there. So it's moving between these. Now in the instance of where this is, it will take a while to load up now. In the instance of these are a lot of scenes that were built up, as we can see in this is the actual app itself that's running. So I'm just expounding on how I got to this. All those scenes are in here to show that they all been put into the setting up of the build setting, so that they can work together. So this is how this was built to be able to run the app in something simple as this click change screen button that you have here. Change scene sign. Just change it from this scene to the other scene. This scene to the other scene. That's all it's doing between scenes. And also, if you have like what I already had on the full app, it will be changing between scenes with that. So this is the third video, where the first one was expounding on the wheel and the slider. The second one is the second wheel and more sliders in there, and it's expressing the equal and opposite of the motor. Now this one is just expressing how it came about from putting all the scenes together and how they link as the whole app is working. Yes, so that is it for this one. Thank you for watching.